What is up, everyone? This is Rafe with Central Alps, the premier off-road customization shop in the Dallas-Fort Worth area in this beautiful weather outside that we have going on in Texas. And today here I have a walkthrough video on this 2024 GMC Sierra Denali Ultimate 2500. As you can see, this truck's absolutely gorgeous. It's tall, it's huge, and it looks amazing. Let me walk you through what we did on it. We put on a 5-inch Cognito lift kit, the whole works, you know, the upper control arms, the reservoir shocks from Fox 2.0 and whatnot. And then we also put on some ReadyLift Logic airbags in the rear. It looks absolutely beautiful. We put on some 20x10 fuel Trax at a -18 offset. We put on some 38 1350 Nitto rich grapplers. So this truck is absolutely beautiful. And if you want to find out how we made these 38-inch tires fit on a 5-inch kit on this truck, watch our Will It Fit video. And then if you want your truck to look like this, give us a shout at 833-268-2577 here in Arlington, Texas.